Hi, I just wanted to thank you once again for supporting small business and having us install your ceramic coating on your vehicle. Maintaining a ceramic coating is a fairly easy process, but I want to make it even easier by linking you to a aftercare playlist on YouTube, which has everything from product recommendations to how to wash the vehicle, how to wash the wheels, how to clean your windshield, and so forth and so on. Before I show you those links, however, I just wanted to mention a few small things for caring for your ceramic coated vehicle in the initial week or two. So we usually keep the vehicle long enough so that it can get wet, but just to be on the safe side, try to avoid getting the vehicle wet for 24 hours. Also, try to avoid washing the vehicle in a manner that would consider scrubbing, such as even a microfiber foam mitt. No heavy washing for approximately 2 weeks. You can use some waterless wash and drag the towel across the surface, which we'll show you in one of those videos, but try not to put too much pressure onto it. The biggest question, of course, from clients is, how do I take care of this ceramic coated vehicle? So we are going to show you those links. Just realize that ceramic coating is not self-cleaning. It makes it easier to clean, but we can't expect it to, wash all the dirt off and have no dirt stick to the vehicle. The same goes for wheels. The wheels will still collect brake dust depending upon what brake pads you have. However, the brake dust is less likely to stick to the wheel and the wheel surfaces with ceramic coating as opposed to no ceramic coating. The other thing to note is that ceramic coatings are not indestructible, just like clear bra is not indestructible, which means the more pressure you put on the paint, it is still possible to scratch. And if you take the car through an automatic car wash, not only will it scratch the paint, but it'll rub the coating off. So no automatic car washes, and we have to be careful with how hard we press on the paint. So I told you I'd show you some links to our aftercare, and that will appear on the left side of your screen as this video ends on YouTube. I just wanted to thank you once again, one last time. Thank you for your business, and thank you for supporting Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings.